Teachers open the door, but you must enter yourself. With this motivational thought, this is Miss Anupama and you are watching Miss Anupama's channel. So my dear friends, today in this video, I'm going to take up the EVS 2 lesson, okay, EVS 2 subject, and the lesson number 4, that is Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj childhood. And my dear friends, in my previous video, I have completed the first 3 subtopics of this lesson, okay, 2 topics, not 3 topics, 2 subtopics I have completed. Now in this session, I'm going to take up the remaining 3 subtopics, and this will be the part 2, okay, part 2 of the 4th lesson, Shivaji Maharaj childhood, okay. Now this 3 subtopics we are going to discuss and learn in this session, okay. We'll see what are they. First subtopic is Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals, okay. The second one, founding of a new Nizam Shahi. The third one, Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj in Karnataka, okay. So these 3 subtopics we are going to learn in this session, okay. Chalo then. Okay, my dear friends, welcome back. Now today, this is the part 2 of EVS 2 and the lesson number 4 we are going to learn, and in this 3 main topics we are going to learn, okay. So before going into the lesson, we'll just recap, okay, recall the things what we have learned in our previous video, okay. So when the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan sent a big army to conquer Deccan, Shahaji Raje sent pregnant Jizabai to Shivneri fort, okay. Then Jizabai gave birth to a son on 19th February 1630, and she named her son Shivaji Maharaj as he was born on Shivneri fort, so she has kept his name as Shivaji Maharaj. Then Jijamata did not neglect Shivaji Maharaj's education. So in spite of highly unsettled conditions, okay, they were going through, then too she told him the stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu, okay, all these great people stories she used to tell him. To whom? Shivaji Maharaj. So she recited not only the stories of these brave men, but also the devotional songs. She used to recite devotional songs and instill respect for saints and great men in Shivaji Maharaj, okay. Understood? Yeah. Now you can see the picture here, my dear students. This is the picture of Shivaji Maharaj with his friends, okay, in the forest. You can see here, okay, these were his best friends, like, okay. Understood? Now chalo, we'll start with the first topic, that is Shahaji Raje towards Now we'll start with the first subtopic, that is Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals, okay. Now Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi all right, but he did not get any peace of mind there. Now my dear students, as I told you in our third lesson, we learned that due to the appeal and request of Nizam Shah's mother, Shahaji Raje, he left Adil Shah and again he joined Nizam Shahi, okay, to save Nizam Shahi, okay. He joined Nizam Shah to save Nizam Shahi, but he joined Nizam Shahi, but there he was not getting any peace of mind, means that happiness, or you can say he was not so satisfied there, okay, working under Nizam Shah. Then Nizam Shah himself was a fickle-minded person who readily believed all gossips, okay. Why Shahaji Raje was not able to get satisfaction or peace of mind working under Nizam Shah? Because Nizam Shah was a fickle-minded person. Fickle-minded person means fickle. The meaning of fickle means like a playful, okay. No, he was not stable. He was like an unstable person who believes on other whatever is said to him, okay. So he used to believe on others' words and he was not able to use his own thinking to take the proper decision or the firm decision related to any matter. So fickle-minded person who readily believe all gossips, okay, all the gossips, whoever comes and tells about anyone, he used to blindly believe on that words of that person. Hence, many conspiracies and petty rivalries infested the court. Okay, hence due to of his fickle nature, many conspiracies में साजिशें बोलते हैं ना अपन, साजिश, बहुत सारी साजिशें उनके दरबार में होती थी. ओके, and pretty rivalries. Okay, pretty rivalries means like you know that people believes on somebody and they started taking a against action against them. Okay, विरोध करना, प्रतिद्वंदित करना. Okay, विरोध करना. It is the meaning of the rivalries infested the court, means it troubled the court. Okay, infested means पीड़ित करना. Okay, like troubled the darbar of Nizam Shah. Okay, so this lead to the killing of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav openly in the court at the instigation of Nizam Shah himself. Okay, now due to his nature, due to believing on others gossips, others conspiracies, this leads to the killing. Okay, killing of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Now who was this Lakhoji Rao Jadhav? Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was the father of Jijamata. Okay, Jijao's father and Shahaji Raje's father-in-law. Okay, so in the open court of Nizam Shah, what happened? Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was killed. Okay, this lead to the killing of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav in the court at the instigation. Okay, instigation means like shak karna. Okay, instigation, on the instigation of Nizam Shah himself. Okay, so Shahaji Raje could not withstand this. Okay, Shahaji Raje, he was not able to digest this. Okay, withstand means not able to face and not able to digest this thing. So Shahaji Raje could not withstand this. Infuriated, he left Nizam Shahi and joined the Mughals. Okay, now infuriated means like someone making you very angry. Okay, very angry, क्रोधित दिलाना. Okay, उसको गुस्सा दिलाना. So due to this reason, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and he joined Mughals. Shahjahan, the Mughal emperor, made him the Sardar at his court. Okay, now Shahjahan, he moved towards the Mughals. Okay, this is the reason how he moved towards the Mughals, leaving the Nizam Shah or Nizam Shahi. Then Shahjahan, what he did, he made Shahaji Raje the Sardar at his court. Okay, so in the meantime, secretly joining hands with the Mughals, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. Okay, here one more conspiracy. Okay, so secretly Fateh Khan, he joined hands with Nizam Shah and he killed. Okay, now here joining hands with the Mughals and he killed Nizam Shah. There was a complete anarchy. Okay, in the state. Now anarchy means like a situation in which people do not obey any rules or laws. Okay, it is open, like anyone can do anything over there. There is no rules and regulations were followed. Okay, the situation in which there is no government in the country. Okay, everyone is free to do whatever they like to do. Okay, that is called the anarchy. Then it becomes evident. Okay, it becomes what? Evident means clear to the eye or the mind. Okay, it clear that Fateh Khan was treacherously planning. Okay, now treacherously means something very doubtful he is doing. Okay, so, something to faithless. Okay, doubtful, something to cross against. Okay, crossing against some plan. Okay, Virodhi planning was going on. Okay, something to be very destroyable things he is going to plan out. So Fateh Khan was treacherously planning to enable the Mughals to swallow Nizam Shahi. Okay, so he's planning to what? To swallow the Nizam Shahi, to get end to the Nizam Shahi. In return, the Mughals rewarded him with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Now, just listen this carefully. Yeah? Due to this, in return, the Mughals rewarded who? Fateh Khan. The territories means territories means like Rajya, okay, which was under Shahaji Raje. Under means which was Shahaji Raje controlling that territories, that Rajya, that land was, what happened? Mughals, okay, they handed over to Fateh Khan, okay. And what happened then? Territories under the control of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was enraged, means he got very angry, wild angry with this, okay, enraged, and so he left the service of the Mughals. So this is the reason why Shahaji Raje, he left Mughals service also, due to this, okay. He decided to teach them a lesson using all his might, means all his might means strength, okay. He decided, Shahaji Raje decided, now this is enough, now I have to teach a lesson to Mughals and the Fateh Khan, okay. He decided to teach them a lesson using all his might. His might means his strength, okay, his strength, his power. He decided to teach them a lesson. Now next subtopic which we are going to discuss is founding of a new Nizam Shahi, okay, new Nizam Shahi. In order to forestall the Mughal emperors and Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found out a child heir from the Nizam's family, and on the fort of Pemgiri near Zunair declared him as a new Nizam Shah. Now here heir, H-E-I-R, heir means वारिस, okay. निजाम शाह का नया वारिस कौन होगा है शाहजी राजे ने डिक्लेयर किया, okay. He wants to declare the heir of the new Nizam Shahi. So in order to forestall, means in order to prevent something from happening, okay, गहरी साजिश का शिकार this what Nizam Shahi is going under. So he wants to protect Nizam Shahi. So Shahaji Raje, in order to forestall the Mughal emperor and Wazir Fateh Khan, okay, Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje, he found out the child, okay, child here, okay, unka waris from the Nizam's family, and on the fort of Pemgiri near Pune declared him as the new Nizam Shah, okay, new Nizam Shah. Thus he established an altogether new kingdom which includes the territory between the river Godavari and Nira, okay. So this he established altogether the new kingdom, okay. उन्होंने एक नया राज्य स्थापित किया, okay, establish altogether new kingdoms which includes the territory between, okay, the territories, okay, जो राज्य, जो land, okay, between the river Godavari and Nira. Shahaji Raje fought vigorously to protect this new state, okay. Now vigorously means बहुत उत्साह से, okay, बहुत जोरदार तरीके से शाहजी राजे ने ये जो नए स्टेट्स थे, नए टेरिटरीज थे, उन्हें बचाने की, प्रोटेक्ट करने की बहुत ज्यादा प्रयास उत्साह से किया उन्होंने, okay. Shahaji Raje fought vigorously to protect this new states. Initially means in the beginning periods, okay. Adil Shah was with him in this efforts, okay, in the initial stages, okay, in the beginning stages, Adil Shah was with him in this efforts. But later, okay, बाद में क्या होता है, but later on what happened, we'll see. Okay friends, now we'll see, but later what happened, later the Mughal emperor Shah Jahan himself marched south upon Shahaji Raje and threatened Adil Shah. So now what happened, Mughal emperor Shah Jahan, he himself marched south and upon Shahaji Raje and threaten means he has given like हम हिंदी में उसे बोलते हैं ना धमकी देना, धमकाना. ओके, किसने? शाहजहां ने आदिल शाह को धमकाया और शाहजी राजे. ओके, अपॉन मीन्स उनके खिलाफ. ओके, उनके लिए शाहजहां ने आदिल शाह को धमकाया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? आदिल शाह देन साइंड अ ट्रीटी. तो आदिल शाह ने क्या किया? He signed. Okay, Adil Shah signed a treaty of friendship with him against Shahaji Raje. So now see here, now Shahjahan and Adil Shah, they became friends. Okay, Adil Shah signed a treaty. Okay, treaty means like one formal letter, like okay, friendship letter, like that treaty. Okay, treaty he signed against whom? समझौता बोलते हैं ना अपन, समझौता किया. ओके, समझौते पर सिग्नेचर किया. किसने? आदिल शाह ने. अगेंस्ट होम? अगेंस्ट शाहजी राजे. ओके, Shahaji Raje now began to fight the joint force of Mughals and Adil Shah using guerrilla tactics. Now Shahaji Raje, he became alone, but then too, okay, because of his valor, his might, he was fight. Okay, he joined the he has to fight the joint forces of Mughals and Adil Shah. They have become friends now. Okay, and Shahaji Raje, he used a guerrilla tactics. Tactics means like yuddha niti. Okay, like some plan. Okay, according to that only he started fighting with this मुगल्स एंड आदिल शाह. ओके, युद्ध नीति बोलते हैं अपन उसे, टैक्टिक्स को. ओके, बट ही कुड नॉट सस्टेन द वॉर all by himself. Sustain means he was not able to keep the pressure of Mughal and Adil Shah. Okay, Mughal himself. Okay, they had Shahjahan had a large army with him. Okay, and Adil Shah joined means they supported each other and they form a very powerful army among themselves. But here Shahaji Raja was alone, but he could not sustain. Sustain means वो उस pressure को झेल नहीं पाए. Okay, keep pressure. Okay, sustain the war all by himself. In 1636, now in 1636, unwillingly he signed a treaty of peace with Mughals. Okay, he became alone and he was not having that much of power. Okay, so in the year, this year you have to keep in your mind, my dear students. Okay, this will be coming for fill in the blanks. Okay, so 1636. Okay, 1636, unwillingly. Remember this word, unwillingly. Okay, त्यांची इच्छा नसतानी. कोणाची? शहाजी राजे. ओके, उनके इच्छा के अनुरोध. ओके, means he was not willingly to sign the treaty. Okay, sign the treaty means some agreement. Okay, agreement of peace with the Mughals. Okay, peace, शांति का उन्होंने एक treaty sign किया था. With whom? Mughals. And he was not willing to sign that. Okay, not willing to have that treaty. But he could not create his own kingdom as the time were not favorable for him. Okay, but he was not able. Who? Shahaji Raje. Okay, he was not able to create his own kingdom as his own Rajya. Okay, at the times. Okay, that time was not favorable for him. Okay, that condition was not giving फेवर टू हिम. फेवरेबल मीन्स अनुकूल वातावरण नहीं था या स्थिति नहीं बनी कि शाहजी राजे को अपने खुद का राज्य स्थापित करने के लिए. ओके, हिज डेयरिंग स्पिरिट kindled a confidence among the Maratha people, but the daring spirit of Shahaji Raje. Okay, Shahaji Raje, the daring spirit of bringing Swaraj, okay, bringing independent to the people, and these things, these feelings, okay, it kindled spirit, okay, spirit and confident among the Maratha people. Now kindle means एक रोशनी, okay, burning spirit, okay, inflame the spirit of getting it. Okay, so kindle means burning spirit, प्रज्वलित करना. ओके, सो उनकी जो स्पिरिट थी, डेयरिंग स्पिरिट, दैट किंडल्ड अ कॉन्फिडेंट. ओके, अमॉन्ग द मराठा पीपल. This this situation, this condition proved useful for Shivaji Maharaj in establishing Swaraj a few years later. Okay, so this was the things which proved and it was useful for Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in establishing Swaraj a few years later. Okay, chalo, we'll start with the next. Now the next subtopic is Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, Jijau and Shivaji Maharaj in Karnataka. After the downfall of the Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughals and Adil Shah amongst themselves. Okay, now Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje. Okay, he has found out the child hair of Nizam Shah. Okay, so what happened after the downfall of the Nizam Shahi? Okay, there was no rule and it was declining. Nizam Shahi, which was established by Shahaji Raje, its territories means I told you it's a Rajya. Okay, land holding, Kshetra bolte use. Okay, territories, and this territories was divided by the Mughals and the Adil Shah. Why? Because they joined a friendship. Okay, they signed a treaty of the friendship among themselves and they were standing against Shahaji Raje. Okay, so Mughals and Adil Shah, they become friends now. So Mughals and Adil Shah amongst themselves, they have divided all the territories among themselves. Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within. Okay, now the Shahaji Raje's Jagir, okay, unki jo Jagir land thi, okay, that is Pune and Supe, lay within. So what happened? The Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's share and he gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf. Now Shahaji Raje joined the Adil Shahi service. Okay, Adil Shah service. Who? Shahaji Raje, because he gave the Jagirs of Pune and Supe on behalf of him to Shahaji Raje, and he was working under Adil Shah and he joined his services. Adil Shah assigned to him the task of conquering the territories in distant Karnataka. So now he gave one task. Okay, he gave one assigned means giving to him. Okay, so Adil Shah gave one task of conquering the territories which is far. Okay, now Pune Supe is in Maharashtra. Now he has to go to the far away distance, that is Karnataka. Okay, so far away from Pune. Karnataka was very far away from Karnataka. Okay, assigned means sopna, unko ek karya sopa. Okay, assigned. The task of conquering the territories means like he has to go, he has to conquer means जींकना, उसे युद्ध करके जींकना. Okay, उस पर विजय प्राप्त करना. Okay, that is called a conquering the territories in distance Karnataka, far away from Pune. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj also joined him there. So first Shahaji Raje, he departure means निकलना. Okay, he leave. Okay, he प्रस्थान कर दिया उन्होंने. सबसे पहले शाहजी राजे निकल गए कर्नाटक के लिए. And later on Jizaou, okay, Jizaou and Shivaji Maharaj, they also both joined Shahaji Raje where Karnataka. Okay, so Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj also joined him like Shahaji Raje there. Okay, now we'll start with the next. Okay guys, now just see. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra had been very hectic. Okay, means as I told you, okay, he was so busy with like lots of things that he has to do quickly. He has to uh, run from one place to another place because the situation was like that. Okay, it was unstable period. So his childhood, okay, in Maharashtra had been very hectic. Okay, it was very difficult time for him. That was a very difficult time for Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, hectic means like West Rehna. Okay, West. It's very busy. Okay, hectic. He and he means Shivaji Maharaj. He and Jizabai had to rush continuously from one fort to another fort. Okay, rush means to run from. Okay, एक किले से दूसरे किले उनको सुरक्षा के लिए जाना पड़ता था. Okay, and at that time, young Shivaji Maharaj used to hear the stories of the brave deeds of his father. Okay, Miss Shahaji Raje was on his work. Okay, he was on conquering the forts and having a warfare. Okay, he was busy, but here Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai was together, and Jizabai never ever left the moment of telling the stories of Shahaji Raje, his brave stories. Deeds means the work what Shahaji Raje was rendering, that service, the deeds of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, she used to tell the stories of this brave man, that is Shahaji Raje, his brave deeds to his son. Okay, so at that time, young Shivaji Maharaj used to hear the stories of the brave deeds of his father. Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Now, when they came to Karnataka, okay, they joined Shahaji Raje, they came to Karnataka, then that time was a little peaceful time for them. Okay, so some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Okay, Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Okay, कर्नाटक में जब शाहजी राजे थे उन्होंने बहुत सारे किंग्स को पराजित किया था. डिफीटेड. ओके, पराजित करना. ओके, then what happened? Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. So this Adil Shah was very happy on Shahaji Raje, and he awarded, award dena. So Adil Shah gave award to Shahaji Raje, the Jagir of Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore city, beautiful city at present. Okay. Then Shahaji Raje then made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. Okay, so Shahaji Raje, he made his Bangalore city as his headquarters. Like now we have the capital city of Maharashtra is Mumbai. So all the administration work, important meetings and everything held in Mumbai. The same way that time Shahaji Raje, he made Bangalore city as his headquarters. Okay. So headquarters, important city, like important city where all the work can be done over there. He lived there with all the trappings of a king and began to summon the court. So he lived there at the Bangalore city, and there he was with all the trappings. Trappings means both ताम झाम से. ओके, बहुत ज्यादा श्रृंगार म्हणतो ना अपन कि राजा के जैसा वो रहने लगे वहां पर. ही लिव्ड देयर विथ ऑल द ट्रैपिंग्स ऑफ अ किंग. ओके, ऑफ अ किंग, and began to summon the court. Okay, summon the court means he used to started addressing the summon, started listening to the problems of the people over there. Okay, so he lived there with all the trappings of a king and began to summon the court. Okay, my dear friends and students, understood the lesson? With this I completed the explanation of the fourth lesson, that is Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj childhood. Okay, my dear friends. Now in my next video I'll be coming up with the exercise of this lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos and listening to my lecture patiently. Then stay at home. Okay, to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my upcoming videos. And stay safe, stay at home, keep smiling, keep learning, keep reading. Thank you so much.